Hi, I have a student ask about these questions, right? How to total up the cost center. So, basically, right, if we just add this to 3021, right, you get 164. But why is it 164? Because it only capture that the first item, right, 164. Rather, it should be adding this four value, which is 3001. So how to do that, right? One way is to unmerge this and then drag this down, right? And that's one, right? But this will adding up the total value as well. So we don't need the total value. So we need to remove this as well, right? So it should be 403, but that's not enough, right? You need to do this again one more time, merge and drag this down, right? So then you get total again. This line should be removed, right? So you got to do this for every item, right? So let's just undo it, right? So you see there's a lot, right? So if this company has maybe 200 staff, right? So that would be a lot of time to do. So how to do that in a quicker way is to make use of the latest Excel tools, right? The call uh, get and transform, right? So I will first turn this into Excel table, right? So that is the first step. So highlight this, turn it into Excel table, and highlight them, and then Control T, right? So you gotta select them, choose. So you turn this into Excel table, and next is that you go to Data tab, choose from table range. Alright, so now you are in the Power Query editors, right? So now remember that we want to turn that to actually fill this 3001 to this 3, right? But excluding the total line. So first I want to remove the every total line here. I need to remove it. So it's a very useful way, right? It's just to select the column and check the total line, the total item. Excuse me, and you just remove that total line, right? Next is we gotta fill this up, fill this down, right? So again, right, this is 2001, you gotta fill up this 201, and this 201 will get same, this 7801 to be filled up as well. So what you do is just right click here, choose filled down. Yes, that's it, right? And you can do the same for the rest. So you can highlight all this column, right click, choose fill, down. Yes, it's done. Next, click on close and load. Yeah, so that's it, right? You got it done right now. You can use the sum if functions, right? Again, we just type in, let's say I want to do is true one, right? And I just use sum if. Now first I want to check what's the table name, right? I go to the table design. It's got table file dash 2, right? I can also use that as uh medical table, right? Medical fees table. So I give that a name called medical table, so, and then I can use this sum if, and I want to select this cost center, so I can just use medical fees. Select the column which is cost center, right? So close square brackets. Select this item, and then select that columns, right? And the column is also in the medical table, right? And select the column called January, and close square bracket. We got 786. So which is the first few items here, right? So there's no others. So you can see the 786, right? Now should we just want 6101, right? And we can do the same, right? We just drag this down, right? And there you are, right? So you can also use another method. Just select summarize with pivot table, choose this item, click OK, and we just drag the cost center here, generate skills here, right, and that's it, right. If you want, you can use type as well, and that's it, right. So for this cost center, that's all that you have, right. And thanks for watching. This is Ken Lau. I hope this is helpful to you. Bye.